Hi everyone. Want to add secure username login to your app in minutes? Logto makes it easy. First, let's explain how to configure username auth flows in Logto. In the Sign-in Experience section, activate both username as sign-up identifier and create your password during sign-up. Verify both during sign-in. Here's what users experience during sign-up. Users set a unique username that cannot start with a number. Encourage users to create strong passwords that meet your complexity requirements. Since email or phone recovery isn't available, users need to confirm their password twice to prevent typos. Upon successful sign-up, users are automatically logged in for a seamless experience. This section walks through the user's sign-in experience. Let's sign out and then sign in again using the username and password. When users enter correct credentials, they'll be redirected to your designated app's redirected URI. You might be interested in exploring error reporting details. First, set invalid usernames. Non-unique usernames or usernames starting with numbers will trigger error messages. Second, set invalid passwords. Passwords that don't match or don't meet complexity requirements will be rejected. Third, invalid credentials. For security reasons, we do not directly disclose if a username exists or not. Instead, provide a generic error message, incorrect account or password. How to add forgot password. In this scenario, to enable the forgot password feature, configure email or SMS connector in the Logto console. And utilize the Management API to create an Account Settings section where users can link their email or phone number for account recovery during sign-in. Visit logto.io to get started with Logto today.